Good morning, everybody. Glad to have you guys in here. My goodness, what a long weekend, but we are back. Juana, I see that, and trust me, I miss you too. Glad to have you in here. Buenos dias, Juana. We've got Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! First in the chat, baby. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Having a good morning. I know AMC being up like 15% pre-market. We got Nick F. Good morning. Soy Apes to the moon. Let's get it, Juana Silva. Buenos dias. Zachary. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Zachary. Love T. Hello. Juana, I miss you too. Yes, we miss you. All right. Hemi Life, good morning. What's up, man? Keith, Ken, beautiful green morning. Yeah, for you, Keith. I definitely see your Mullen and your IMPP soaring, flying. Your IMPP is killing it, man. Hey, bro, get ready Friday. I'm going to do a super chat. Going to get you to talk about Tectonic every week. If I got to do a super chat, Hemi Life, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. I'll be ready on Friday. LFG, Pringleton, what's going on, man? They just bought 10,000 shares of GameStop at 87.7%. They might as well be cuckoo. Dude, 87% is ridiculous. They can't make any money on that. It's impossible unless they make it short term. Good day, Clay and Clay Bros. Hope everyone had a relaxing. You know what I did? I had a great weekend, actually, Danelle. I had a great weekend. Celebrated my birthday yesterday. It was awesome. Hung out with the family. Very good weekend. Samanino, first in the chatinho. I don't think Sino. Ricaru, let's get it, man. Que puedo. Juana Silva, what's going on? Sacco, oh my gosh, what are we talking about now? Good morning, bro, man. Soto Rican, good morning to you. ADA update, please. Zachary, I don't know anything that's going on with Cardano, but we can absolutely look at a little Cardano action on the board here. See what we got going on there. Woohoo! Cardano up to 63 cents, up 11% on the day. Not a bad hourly chart at all. My goodness, guys. Look at this. In the last couple of days, going up over 50%. From 45 cents per share up to 70 cents per share. 68.8 cents there. The daily chart looks awesome. Double bottoming down here at that 45 cent range. And, 45 cents. And then moving all the way up to 68.8 cents today. Ape, it's following the overall crypto market, just moving a little bit more exponentially than some other coins. We've got ApeCoin trying to bounce its way back. Is Bitcoin on here somewhere? Yeah, Bitcoin coming up like this. Just, you can see, very similar chart pattern to Bitcoin and Cardano here, but Cardano just exceeds it slightly. So you're looking at a slightly more exponential gain in Cardano there. Even Shiba Inu coin, guys. Even Shiba Inu coin is doing well. I don't know where it's at, but as you can see, we've had some gains over the last couple of days in the crypto market here, which is nice. We needed gains in the crypto market because we've been seeing nothing but losses for the last several months. Where the heck is Shiba? There it is. Even Shiba Inu coin trying to bounce back over the last couple of days, going from 1,000 points per coin up to 1,200 points per coin. 20% gain, man. 20% gain is 20% gain. I know it doesn't sound like a lot because it's 200 points instead of 2,000 points or something. But 20% gain is 20% gain. I'll take it all day. Gosh, I was Big Clay that whole time. We'll just give it another look-see right here on Cardano, since Cardano was killing it. Up 11% today. Up like 50% over the last few days. ADA. Cardano up 12% on the day. 63.5 cents. Looking beautifully on that daily chart there. Bouncing back nicely off those lows. And that hour chart, man. That hour chart is looking delicious right there. I mean, dude, you get into Cardano over the weekend, you're already up 50%. I mean, that's... I like it. Let's put it that way. And AMC up 7% on the day right now. GameStop having a pretty hard day today for some reason or another. But GameStop still down 6%, even though it's bouncing a little bit. I don't know, over the last half hour or so, really following AMC higher. But AMC performing phenomenally pre-market, going up above $16. And, well, it's $16.65. I was going to say above $16.50, but $16.65 there. Sold off at the open and currently performing very nicely off those $13.90 lows that we had. And currently sitting at $15.45, up 7.10% on the day. Shiba bouncing back. Farmy doing its reverse split today. Farmy is now in the dollar range. We need to get Farmy up to the same price as AMC, up there at $15.43. That would be nice. Farmy is sitting on like a ridiculously low market cap, just even compared to the amount of cash that they've got in their portfolios. Juidinho, nostro bozinho. Thank you very much, Simoninho. Happy day, Emma D. Happy day to you as well. What up, Clay bro? And a good day to all the bros out there. Meta Pockets, good day to you too, man. Clay bro, what is Cardano? Coin or stock? It is a coin. Sam Demand, Cardano is a cryptocurrency. So you can buy it on Webull. If you do want to buy it on Webull, it is available for trading there. But it is a cryptocurrency. So if you want to use a crypto exclusive exchange or DeFi, you can also get it there. Good morning. Wish my crypto went up like Clay subscriptions. Kelly, oh my goodness. Kelly, glad to have you in here, man. And dude, I wish my crypto went up like subscriptions too, man. Trust me, my crypto's not doing any better than anybody else's crypto out there. What is it gonna? Brindlero, I actually want to look into that at some point today. Even if I got to email them and see if they can say anything about it. A lot of people, myself included, are not. I'm not concerned, but a lot of people do seem to be losing patience, and I mean, I think they have the right to. Right? I mean, all the other centralized exchanges out there are doing just fine, listing Luna 2.0 and Luna Classic for trade, and then Voyager is slacking a little bit in terms of, reopening that up for trade and getting that airdrop going. So I do want to see what's going on with that. I don't know exactly right now. I just know, like, all they've ever said on Twitter is that, well, we're doing the best we can to accommodate everybody in the airdrop. Please give us patience and all that nonsense. Yo, good morning, Clay. Just tapped in a few of your videos from the weekend. Let's go, Shiba Army. Nice. Matthew, thank you very much for watching those videos. Appreciate that. Let's do it, man. Shiba Army, AMC Apes. Let's get this thing rolling. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy back. I like it. Dap time. Like one of these, boom, like a little dab on them. Is that what we're doing? Emma D, look good. Oh, man, Sam D, nice. How come you don't do AMC videos anymore? William, I'll be honest with you. It's a tough decision, right? But AMC videos were drastically falling in views, and the AMC community was like watching much less, right? And I made the decision not to just continue making AMC videos unless there was like some sort of a news story or some sort of a break, because it was obvious that they were getting tired of hearing me talk. But that's basically the main reason there, dude. I didn't want to keep beating a dead horse. I didn't want to keep beating a dead horse if there was no major news release or anything like that. So that's why I haven't done any in a while. But I mean, clearly with the action today, it does look very good. You get on the long train yet? Kalani, I have not dipped my toe in the water yet. Click that like, listen to it now. Click that like, the Wide Luna vids, and no AMC ones in ages. Well, Pringleton, I mean, plain and simple, man. Like I was just saying, like you guys can look at the last couple AMC videos I have done, and if it's getting 1,000 views on an AMC video, and you get new guys that are coming out and doing AMC videos and getting like 6,000 to 8,000 views, I don't know, man. I just feel like it's audience saying, well, dude, we don't want to watch Claybro anymore. We want to watch this random guy that just came up 2 months ago. So I don't know. Greetings from the Netherlands, bro. Greetings from Ohio, Tim Van Weenen. How you doing today? Already starting with that creep stuff. Let nobody creep. Don't creep in here. Come on now. Wait, you still think the AMC... Kalani, absolutely. I absolutely do, man. Why? Because the short shares are still out there. I still have my shares of AMC. I still plan on holding them until the short interest is, at least on the decline. I don't really want to hold AMC short. I don't really want to hold AMC shares for a short squeeze if AMC short interest drops below 10% or something that a normal stock would have out there. But as far as MOAS goes, yes, dude. I mean, it is ridiculous to support that AMC still gets on really all social media platforms. And the fact that the short interest numbers are actually better now than they have ever been in the past. I just think that this, the market that we're seeing right now, it could deceive us, right? It could deceive us. But with everything getting brutalized, I don't know how easy it's going to be for a short squeeze to happen as investors are afraid. I do want to say that though. Dad joke. How do you make what holiest holy water? You boil. Yeah, there you go. I like it, John J. It's a good joke. Thoughts on Luna Flow Flow? How many you hold? Luna Flow Flow. I currently hold 0 Luna Flow Flow, but it does sound like a very nice name, man. Actually, Luna Flow Flow sounds better than Sida Flow Flow for some reason. Just coming out of my mouth, I like the way that Luna Flow Flow flows off the tongue more than Sida Flow Flow does. I don't understand why anyone is giving Luna any time at all. They screwed a lot of it. Mark, true, man. True. So, let me put it this way. This is, gosh, and listen, if you guys hear me go or anything like that, I'm sorry. I know it sounds disgusting, but my goodness, the allergies last night started kicking in, and they are horrible right now. Horrible, man. Horrible. And I'm sweating a little bit, and it's not even like, I was like 68 degrees. I'm sweating. Luna. I believe Luna is getting so much attention because, yes, it did lose a lot of people money, but it appears extremely cheap. And like I constantly say, man, it is not necessarily an investment, but it is more of a lottery ticket play or a risk. Yes, it can go up in price. Okay, it's sitting on a market cap below $1 billion. It did have a $40 billion market cap when everything was rolling well and going good. But there's no reason that it can't go up in value like Shiba Inu coin has done in the past. And the fact that so many people are looking at it is really what it's got going on right now. It's got a lot of support really across the globe, and a lot of people are looking at it. Not for investment purposes. I don't think that it's a good investment in the fact that its fundamentals are increasing or anything like that. But hype. It's definitely got a lot of hype. They used the borrowed shares so early this morning with some Gamma 2 worth watching. AMC. Dude, GameStop is acting a little weird today. GameStop, does anybody know why GameStop would have been down as much as it was this morning? I think it was down well over 10% this morning at $120.62. Really getting hit hard at the open there. AMC also getting hit pretty hard, but bouncing back much better than GameStop is bouncing back here. GameStop sitting at $128.70 and AMC sitting at $15.33 right now. Dude, I wouldn't be surprised to see AMC closing it in the $16 range. Hopefully we can keep this gain up here. Farmy, on the other hand, Farmy down 12.5% today, just sucking the blood right out of me. Doing its reverse split, I believe. Oh my gosh, what do they have outstanding now? 1 for 25. What do they get? I got about 24 million shares outstanding, 23 million plus shares outstanding right now. So drastically reducing the overall shares outstanding on Farmy. But I'm telling you, man, if it doesn't maintain these levels here, it is still hitting all-time lows right now. These are all-time lows that we're seeing. This is a daily chart. This is just how every single day it has been bleeding and bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. This is the same kind of crap that we saw with this stock right here. You know, look at a daily chart here. Bleeding, bleeding, and bleeding, and bleeding, and bleeding, and bleeding for months. And today performing very nicely on Mullen Auto, very similar to the action that we had back here, which was followed by a pretty nice rally. Farmy, on the other hand, really no rally at all in this stock. And, I'm just sitting here hoping for one. That's all I'm doing. Sitting here hoping for one. Hoping for a bounce off of a bottom. Swole Team 6! Thank you very much for the Super Chat. My second baby is going to be a boy! LFG, Swole Team 6. Congratulations, man. Very nice. That is awesome to hear that. Definitely congratulations, man. Boys are awesome, right? Boys are awesome. And all the girls out there are awesome too, for sure. But boys rule, right? Boys rule and girls rule. Oh, God. I'm bizarre. Good morning, all you extraordinary human beings. The stars are aligning. The MOAS is being whispered in the winds. This week is going to be interesting. Nice. Nice, Frodo. And now you asked us my question. Let's do it. Crypto Rocketeer, we need to know. Somebody give me an answer. Let's see. Click, smash the like button and become a Brofius. Listen to Moji. And congrats to Swole, for sure. But GME is going to announce the dividend this week, so shorts are hitting it hard as many people... Oh, gotcha. Frodo, listen. That makes sense. I mean, it does. Luna Army pushing one last thrust for Lunk. Hope it works out, but it feels so much negative, to be honest. Momo Life. You know, I don't know if I necessarily feel the negativity right now. I do feel the volatility. I feel that for sure. But I don't know if I necessarily feel the negativity in Luna yet. I still think that a lot of people... I feel the negativity for Luna 2.0. I do that. But I still feel a lot of people that are still excited about Luna Classic. Watch out, y'all. It's Bear Trap. Emma D. I'm telling you, I don't know. This overall bear market really needs to change. I got to see what time Powell is talking today. Luna 2.0 pumping. Actually, Luna 2.0 was falling this morning, I believe. It was back down to $9 after being like at 11. Chris! Good morning, Chris. Thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, hello, apes. Hope everyone is good. Super sick this weekend. No! But my luck over it. Just in time for more work. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, dude. Super sick over the nice long weekend. And then you feel a little bit better to go back to work on Tuesday. Chris, I hate that. Sorry you feel sick, man. I do hope you feel better. It seems like you are getting a little bit better already. Anyone else hate their bosses? Good vibes. You know, I feel like very few people, if anybody is a boss out there, like if you guys are a manager in any situation, do not. I mean, there's obviously going to be some resentment that is just like the fact that you're an authority and you make sure employees are responsible and show up to work and all of that. But, dude, you got a decision every single day. People can respect your authority and still, you know, enjoy to be around you. Don't make the people that work with you hate you. Don't do that. Listen to Chris and don't make people hate their boss. Can we look at Luna 2.0? Harris. Yeah, we can check out Luna 2.0 over here on CoinMarketCap. Terra Luna, here it is. We got to click on that bad boy. Up 30% today, sitting at $9.29 right now. Current market cap, $2 billion. Fully diluted market cap, $9 billion. I'm going to tell you right now, personally, I think that's inflated. I think that price is too high. I don't think that this coin justifies a $2 billion or a $9 billion market cap. I think these are people just buying. Man. You got to remember, Do Kwon trashed people's lives by creating something, with vulnerabilities, right? That even allowed it to be death spiraled in the first place. So even if it wasn't a purposeful rug pull, people literally lost their lives because of what happened in it. So the volatility, yes, is in right now, going from 17 down to 3 something, back up to almost $12 here. I think it was yesterday, right? Yeah, it was yesterday. And then back down to $9 today. So I don't know. I'm not touching 2.0. I don't think that Do Kwon is going to be able to lead this into anything. And honestly, if this coin starts to spiral out of control and falls in value, you know what I would not be surprised to see? A Luna Terra 3.0. I would not be surprised to see that. Terra Classic, on the other hand, down 20% right now, sitting at 0.000113. 0.000113, and it has also been volatile. Look at a 7-day chart here. We can see that it came down after, as Luna Terra was falling there. Luna Terra Classic came down to 0.000040 and an 8. And then jumped up a little bit here to 1,600 and dropping back down to that 1,100 point per coin range. But a lot of volatility in the Luna family there. Amen. But look, volatility leads to wild swings, and you can make money. Cassie, 12-month member chat. Good morning, all you beautiful people. Good morning to you as well, Cassie. Thank you for being in here, and thank you for being a bro for 12 months. I love it. Boy, howdy. What's going on, Moji? Cardano price predictions. Look, I don't know short term. I hope I am wrong, but I honestly don't think that crypto is ready to bounce. I still think that crypto's got some downside. Bitcoin doing very well this morning. This is a 1-minute chart, already gaining $1,000 over the last couple of hours. But Bitcoin was sitting down here at 31.2, having a decent sell-off this morning. It is bouncing back pretty nicely right now. But if we look at it daily, okay, it does seem to be coming back up here. If we get a nice little run back up to 36, 37, that's going to be awesome. I'm going to feel much more confident in crypto because that's where the next major level of resistance is going to be. But knowing that we're just bouncing off this $30,000 level, even if we come up here and test this 36, 37, unless we break through it and sustain some more upside, I'm still going to be nervous. We could bounce off of that resistance line and see, another curve back over and a drop back down here to the $30,000 level. But it is looking very confident right now. Bitcoin is looking pretty good at the moment, jumping all the way up to 32,100 right now. We've got 4 green days in a row. I would like to see them sustain, but I'm just not convinced that they're going to right yet. I still need to see some more action on that before I get too excited about the upside there. Air used to be free at the gas station. That's $2.50. You know why? Inflation. That's a good one. Yes, air still is free at some gas stations, though. But I like your inflation joke. Burn me once, shame on you. Burn me twice, shame on me. Moji, yeah. And that's the Luna 2.0 motto that a lot of people should have out there. Congrats on 1 year, bro. I love it. Me too, Danelle. Yes. Cass, congrats on you get bro. Yes, you do. You do get bro soon, Cassie. Thank you for being a bro for one stinking year. That is incredible. BTC will reach 40,000 this week. Jonathan, dude, listen, if Bitcoin reaches 40,000 this week, I'm going to be pretty excited. I really want to see that bounce. Good morning from Finland. Been a bro for a few days. Love the vids. Gives me something to do while I wait for my airdrop. Zico Polari, man. Thank you very much for swinging by and watching the videos. Absolutely. Been a bro for a couple days, man. Hope to see you in here quite often. We do live stream 2 times every day during the week. And then clearly you got 3 videos a day. So thank you very much for watching. Waiting on that airdrop, man. Give you something to pass the time with. Welcome, Zico. Heck yeah. Look at this, man. Way to go, Zico. Look at Moji and Danelle. Welcome to Zico. There you go. Terra 2.0, how is that coming along? Victor, Terra 2.0. It's not doing too bad today. It's still up about 30% today. Sitting, I believe, at $9 and some change. We just looked at it. I don't know where it's at right now. That's Terra Classic. Terra Luna 2.0 sitting at $9.60 right now, up 34.5% on the day. I do think that a lot of people are more interested in Classic than they are 2.0 though. Am I wrong? TMI, look the way y'all expected. Swole Team 6. I started to think that mask was permanent, man. I honestly thought that mask was permanent. But yeah, after he started posting a couple pictures like not maskless, but like maskless with a phone over his face on Twitter, yeah. I caught some of his live stream this morning and he looked like what I expected after that. But with the mask and the glasses and stuff, no, man, I had no idea what that kid looked like. Got 1,400 Luna 2.0 and a Lunk 1,300. Harris, very good. Harris is a gambling man. Can you buy AMC with paycheck? Can buy AMC with paycheck? Yeah, Sam Demand. So if you got to wait till you get paid to buy AMC, absolutely. As long as you got a broker, you can do that. 1 year, no AMC MOAS yet, and had shares like 6 months before I found you and became a... Oh my... Cassie, I feel like you're in the same boat as all of us right now, waiting like 1.5 years on the AMC MOAS to happen. What's up, Clay, bro? Army, Becky, what's going on? Becky, how you doing? Ilian, what's going on with you? Sorry, I have no idea how to say that name. It's Silent from Israel. Silent. Elon? I don't know how to say the name, man. Is it Elon? Ilan from Israel. Shout out to you, man. Thank you very much for being in here. That's awesome, dude. Member for 7 months. Outdoor Smile. Thank you for the member chat. Rumor has it Luna Classic will do the 1,000 point bounce. Rip and Moon. Do what I say, and you just may sleep in the hay by the bay, far, far away. Outdoor Smile. Well, then I guess I will do what you say, because hey, I want to sleep in the hay. Dang it, I just rhymed hay with hay. Sucks. Cassie's come stay strong. Yes, see, oh, looks like 15 years old. Me? No, I don't look like 15 years old. We talking about somebody else? Did I miss something there? Crypto Racketeer. 80 people watching, the like button and subscribe. Hope you're good, Clay. RJT, doing good, man. Hopefully you're good as well. 85 people are watching. Make sure to click that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Outdoor Smiley, I like it. Terra 2, what is your prediction for it? Do you think he's gonna? No. So Victor, I personally, and you know, I hope I'm wrong on this for anybody that is in Terra Luna 2.0, but I don't like Terra Luna 2.0. Why? I mean, it might be bad, right? But I don't like Do Kwon. So, you know, whether or not that's the right mentality to have, I don't know. I don't like anybody that's going to just abandon a project and move on to a 2.0. No, man. No. I don't like the way that everything went down. So, I don't like 2.0. I hope I'm wrong for everybody that is in 2.0 and you guys make a ton of money, but I'm not gonna cry about some sort of a missed opportunity on that one, and I don't plan on buying any 2.0. Rubens do Brazil. We got Rubens in here somewhere. Rubens Freitas, hello bro, from Brazil. Rubens, boa tarde, mano, como você tá? Yo, Paul, woohoo, Rubens do Brazil, yes, out there's my congrats on 7 months, bro, absolutely, Donnell, hi, I have a million classic, but I have absolutely no expectations, just to gamble. Craig Wayne, probably the best way to go about it. I think that no expectations for Luna Classic, sitting on $1 million. Look, dude, I know a lot of people want to see it go to $1. I don't know if it's going to reach $1. A penny valuation gives it a $65 billion valuation, not bad at all. Right? Not bad at all. That basically puts it where it was before and still puts it in the same kind of category as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin at their peaks. So I don't think like a penny is really absurd. Like a penny valuation, I don't think that's absurd at all, even with no burns. But, you know, if we're sitting here in a year from now and the price is drastically reduced and the crypto market is a massive bull market, yeah, dude, I think the Classic could be doing just fine. Played a commercial around here that our enemy King Griffin is giving thousands of dollars to help a politician with their election. My goodness. Curitiba, very nice, Ruben, very nice. What is the right mentality? Quan is, yeah, that is the right mentality. Quan, I got you. His tweets and interviews are so arrogant. Dude, it's bizarre to me, too, right? I don't know. But play the Matthew McConaughey scene from Wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, all that stuff right there. Yeah, I could do it. Except, I don't know. Can I actually play it on here right now? I feel like I'd get copyrighted for that. Congratulations on 7 months. Outdoor Smile. Absolutely, Botargi, bro. Botargi Rubens. Glad to have you in here. Seja bem-vindo. Botargi Rubens. Yes. Congrats. 7 months of smiling, but not indoors. We are smiling outdoors. I believe Shiba will change our life, my people. Rubens with the positive mentality. I like it. Rubens, glad to have you in here, man. Going back to work after a 3-day weekend sucks. Yes, Kalani. I agree, man. I agree. 3-day weekends, especially 4-day weekends, man. 4-day weekends make you want to either just quit your job or stay on vacation. So that's the worst part of going on vacation is having to go right back to work. Hey, I'm from Brazil too. No way! Jameson, boy. Tarji Jameson. Seja bem-vindo. Glad to have you in here, meu amigo. A rumor is that Luna will pump to $50 today. Harris, if Luna pumps to $50 today, don't take my financial advice, but I would be selling it. That's not advice. That's just me telling you what I would do. If I had it and it pumped up 5x today, I would not be holding it anymore. But like I said, it's just because I don't like Do Kwon. Hearing about this Ryoshi. So, Remy. Yes, I have heard about the Ryoshi stuff. I kind of want to give you my thoughts on it, and you guys can please tell me if you think I'm completely wrong, but I want to give you my thoughts on that. Rubens Freitas, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Rubens, really appreciate the super sticker there, my friend. Really appreciate it. Since you're advertising for Voyager, when will they relist a Luna Classic? So, Jameson, very good question. And I do plan on either emailing them or trying to get in touch with them on Twitter or something. Because the only things that I've seen is like the exact same things that you guys have seen, is that they are making sure that they get everything right and, want to protect their customers. And they're gonna, get it listed as soon as possible and available for trading as soon as possible and things like that. So, stuff that makes me just want to scream nonsense. Like, everybody else has it listed, just get it listed. Same deal when Robinhood wasn't listing Shiba Inu coin. Like, nonsense, man. You can list it. I know you can list it. Just go list it, right? So, yeah, I am going to try and figure out what's going on with that, because I do agree, man. It is still way too long for them not to have it listed at this point. They've had plenty of time. Would you be willing to start a Let It Burn channel to burn a lunk with the income from it? Me and other people can watch it on the background and maybe give these. Yeah, so Hemi Life, listen, that's something I'm considering, because people do still want to do that for Shiba Inu coin and so on, but I don't see that the market is that saturated for Luna Classic burns at this point in time. So I have been kicking around a couple different ideas with stuff to do for that. Welcome, Brazil. Yes, anybody else from Brazil out there? You made my day, bro. Rubens. Thank you, man. I'm glad to have you in here. Shib is in a weird spot. Been holding since last June. Still up, but I have no clue what the team's next move will be. Oh, yeah, let me talk about my thoughts on that. Clipper, I have 510 bone after your advice. Thank you. Hey, Sam the Man, very cool, man. I think Mullen will get back to 2. Keith, I don't know. I hope it does for everybody that's holding it, but this is it's a strong decline to keep up with this pace. The good news is it's right in this little area of resistance. If it breaks through, then yes, it absolutely could be back in the 2s. It's got some tough resistance in this $1.40 area right in here, but the next major level of resistance really probably won't be until $2.25. So it is possible, man, but it's a big move to continue running without any sort of profit taking from investors that are out there, from day traders that are out there. So although I hope it does, not exactly sure if it will. And this in here, I don't even know if we're gonna watch this anymore. I might just take a massive loss and let that go. Where we at? Ryoshi is indeed. Here's my thoughts on Ryoshi, okay? You shouldn't get copyright for the Matthew McConaughey scene in Wolf of Wall Street. That scene was improvised of him doing his vocal warm-up. Chris knows way too much about movies, man. Knows way too much about movies. Let's never forget it, man. I don't even know what I'm playing right there. YouTube, I don't know if I'm not going to play that. What is it going to pull up? I don't even know what it's going to pull up. If I click on that, what's it do? What did that even do, man? Oh, dude, that killed my chat. I pulled that up and it killed my whole chat. I'm not gonna play it there. It pulled YouTube up instead of the YouTube chat. That was weird. I fed some peanuts to a squirrel a few days ago. It appeared to run AMC up by 29% in the last 5 days. Now that being said, I assume if Chip Bro shows back up on stream, we mow ass. Thoughts? Eric, I think you're probably correct, man. You're probably correct. Chipro is made a lot of appearances in my house over the last couple of days. The boy is hungry, and I think you might be exactly right. That might be the catalyst we need to drive AMC into Moass territory. Seriously, people, take 2 seconds, click that like button, do it! You think Doge will ever moon like Shib? Well, Pathio, Doge mooned before Shib did. I mean, Doge was literally worthless a couple of years ago, and then Doge ran all the way up to 72 cents? So, yes, Doge has mooned, but I do think that Doge can go back up in value. Juana, you gotta stop this. Seriously, you gotta stop this, Juana. Thank you very much for the super chat. How do you say it? Tu eres increíble? Is that right? Juana, my Spanish is horrible. I'm sorry, but how do you say it? Because I mean it. Tu eres increíble. Is that how you say it? Eita, Juana. Eu sei, Jameson. Eu sei. Juana. Am I saying it right? I need Juana to respond. Luana, Juana. Luana, Juana. Luana, Juana, Juana, Juana. Luana, Juana, Juana, Juana. Luana, Juana. Yes, sí. Tu eres increíble. My Spanish is horrible. But thank you. Gracias. Muchas gracias, Juana. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. All right, as I calm back down now, coming off my Juana high. Tu eres increíble. I like it, Juana. I like it. And I like saying tu eres increíble. Dindy James, you're number one. Dindy James, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate all of you guys today. My goodness. Welcome back, Juana. Remy, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Is Juana my mom? Incognito. Let's put it this way, okay? My mother is a beautiful woman. Juana is a beautiful woman. But as far as I know, Juana is not my mother. Juana. No, I'm not. All right, there she is. Juana is not my mother in disguise. Thank you for not being my mom. Appreciate that. Yes, my Juana high. Got to come back down off my Juana high. Well, whatever you do between Luke and Shib Burn channel, you're bro gonna be watching it. Boom, Hemi Life. Appreciate that, man. I will have to come up with something though. Ryoshi. I want to throw this conspiracy theory by you guys right now. Let me know what you think. So if you guys have not seen it, Ryoshi, right? Ryoshi is the founder of Shiba Inu coin. And I say founder with quotes like Dr. Evil. The founder of Shiba Inu coin. The guy that created it. He's the one that's out there that made it, that renounced the contract, threw it out into liquidity, and then threw the other 50% in Vitalik's wallet. That is the story of Ryoshi. That is the story that we were given by the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem development team. That is what is written, okay? Now, interesting. Beautiful story, right? Beautiful story. But I'm not going to lie, dude. These kids, this ecosystem team of kids, they seem to be very smart marketers, okay? They seem to be very smart when it comes to marketing. And Ryoshi has always been this ghost-like figure, right? This ghost-like guidance to create a Ryoshi in all of you. And oh man, that's nice. We've got some decentralized coin. Everybody's looking to some ghost that may or may not exist. They write about him, and then all of a sudden, well, you know what? What do we need to do? We need to get rid of Ryoshi somehow, because then they're going to start looking to people like Satoshi for guidance. And all of these other people, maybe Eric, these developers that are building this ecosystem. We have to get rid of Ryoshi. And the power goes to the ecosystem. Maybe not necessarily Shib anymore, but those that are developing the ecosystem. Guys, I don't know if Ryoshi ever even developed Shiba Inu coin. I think that Shiba Inu coin was just some fantastic meme coin that was out, and then all of a sudden it became popular and people built up around it. I really don't think that it was Ryoshi, and I don't think that it is any concern whatsoever that Ryoshi is no longer, I mean, he doesn't even post anything anyway, but Ryoshi is, has deleted all of their tweets and blog posts and things like that. So I'm not concerned by that. I hope you guys aren't concerned by that, but those are my thoughts. Mike says, OHIO, yeah, so don't you wanna? Yes, I do wanna. Good thing Lauren skipped town. No, we don't want Lauren skipping town. Come on, Lauren, are you out there? I've not seen Lauren in like a year, man. Come on. That link is Jordan Belfort's speech when you buy button was taken away in 2021. Every time I feel negative, I watch this and pumps me up. Oh, gotcha. It was playing an ad, but when I clicked on it, it literally did. It took my entire chat away and just brought up like not Internet Explorer, but like a internet page on my Streamlabs. It was very weird. And I couldn't see the chat anymore. Heard it was someone who started a new Twitter account under Ryoshi's name. Remy, the one that had deleted it. Listen, I think that that's what happened to begin with, right? I think that that's what happened to begin with. They just started a Twitter account and gave it the name Ryoshi. I think that's like I think that the origin of Shiba Inu coin is not the origin that the ecosystem team has told. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's just the feeling I got. Holden Mana and $7 cost average, baby. High hopes. Nice. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm back caught up, I believe. Hello. Much more money will flow into Shiba, crypto, and Bitcoin soon. You'll see institutions starting to flow their cash into cryptocurrency. This will be a huge game. Crypto burger. I mean, I do think it's about time, man, that people started stepping it up and putting money back into the markets. With AMC sitting up 4.5% today, it has come back down a little bit from touching 15.49 back down to 15 flat. Shiba Inu coin top right sitting at 11.80. GameStop $126.74. Farmy just getting trashed. In the Nasdaq breaking even for today. It is very clear that we are in a massive dip, and there's massive opportunities out there. We look at the Nasdaq. And this is the overall market index, guys. The overall market index has been trashed for the last 7 months. You're sitting here on prices around 16,000 points, coming all the way down to 11,000 points, losing roughly 30% of its value in the last few months. If you look at a monthly chart, you can see the decline we have here. I mean, look at this. This is a massive decline, right? The decline we have here is bigger. This is 2008. This here is 2008, guys. I mean, the decline we have here is massive compared to the decline we had in 2008. In 2008, it was a global catastrophe. This is a much bigger decline. This is 2020, and then right back up. Basically, didn't even blip the monthly chart. Doesn't even, but this here, this is massive. The good news is, this is what 2008 looks like now. This is what this is going to look like over the next decade. People are going to be laughing and saying, my goodness, the bear market of 2022 was this. We're sitting here, and look at what we're going through now. We lost 50,000 points in the market in the last 6 months. Because look at this little dip here. And then I remember people were upset about 2008. Yeah, doesn't even exist. So, in time, everything will look better. But right now, it is a dip buying opportunity if you believe in the future of the stock market and if you believe in the future of the crypto market. Let's keep our eye on Mullen Auto right now. I'm getting sick of watching Farmy down there in the bottom left while losing 12% on the day. We'll watch Mullen Auto for a while and just keep our eyes over on the left-hand side of the screen. Dude, thank you so much for the updates. Shout out from South Africa. Hey, thank you very much, man, for being in here. Shout out to you, and absolutely, I'll definitely keep on updating everything. Started investing. What should I invest in? Saeed, good question. Here's what my suggestion would be, and this is clearly nothing's financial advice, right? Well, if you're just starting out investing, I would take it easy. I would go into more diversified approaches and a more conservative approach. Now, whether that means you're just looking at investing in index tracking ETFs, like the DIA, the SPY, QQQ, things like that, that's one way to diversify your assets and still have exposure to the market. If you find that is like, great, I can make 5, 10, 15% a year, but I don't like this. Well, dude, then you can start to branch off into some more, riskier assets. Maybe continue to diversify part of your portfolio in an overall market tracking index, and then start to jump into some more, focused investments. Maybe a single industry, maybe single stocks and things like that. What you have to do is find out what works for you. if you can't sleep at night, if you're just sitting there praying all night long for some sort of a catalyst that doesn't exist to shoot your investment back up to break even, and you're worried and you can't sleep and you're sick and things like that, that's not you. That's not you. So, some people are very conservative. Some people are very, I guess, not risk averse, but they like taking the risk and seeing those rewards there. But you have to find out what works for you, man. Shiba Moon by the end of the year. Let's get it. YNB fight. I hope so, man. What did Mo say? I missed it. What did Mo say? Come on, Mo. What did Mo say? Watching this market, I am a Cryoshi. All right, that was pretty good, yes. Saw Barefoot live years ago, and he was quite energetic. I applied his sales strategies, and they work, no doubt. Outdoor Smile, very good, man, very good. I don't know, man. I think the Jordan Belfort, cool in the sense of the movie, but I don't know. I still don't really like. Remember when he did? I don't know if you guys were in the AMC game back when he did an interview with Trey. I didn't really care too much for that interview that he did with Trey, though. Kind of. And turn me off a little bit with that one. Say Zcash. Clear, bro. What is your favorite crypto? Sam Demand. Good question. I'll say Zcash. I do like Zcash, man. I do like Zcash, Outdoor Smile. I'm not going to lie. Zcash has been around for quite some time. Zcash is private. Nobody can check anything on the Zcash blockchain. It's one of those privacy coins. It is mineable, but you can't really mine it with GPUs anymore. And it is my longest held crypto, or my longest term hold in cryptocurrency. But there are so many good tokens out there right now. I really do like the Voyager token for like exchange tokens. If you're looking at crypto.com and Binance and things like that, and you're looking at these exchange tokens and how well they perform as the overall exchange grows, I like Voyager. I do. For a couple of reasons. I do think that Voyager is going to grow over time because of the, passive income that they allow you to earn by holding a minimum amount, like a minimum balance on their platform. I think that that's going to be a decent marketing approach to some of those tokens that are out there that you don't have to stake. You don't have to lock the tokens up, but you can still earn the rewards for holding them. So I believe that it should grow over time. I like that one. Let's see. I do like Solana, and I think Solana looks pretty cheap right now, but I think it's got some potential as the future unfolds, especially if it comes back down in price. Clearly Ethereum, Ethereum's just a classic. Not Ethereum Classic, but Ethereum is an awesome cryptocurrency that I think is going to do very well over the future. But, dude, there are so many. Just because I like one doesn't mean that it's right for you and things like that. Oh, coming down here. Imagine Roshi is Elon, and he reveals himself, and the ship instantly goes to $1, and I sell it and buy a Lambo, and then Wanda marries me. That's my dream life, Remy. That's my dream life. So, dang it, man. Now it's my nightmare. Did not have frog tongue. Something. Yeah, frog tongue sounds weird. Zcash good for new people. Sam Demand. Yeah, look, if you're going to be trading somewhere on like a platform like Webull, Zcash could be good. Zcash is down in price right now. I actually don't even know if I have Zcash on this chart here. So if you're looking at the daily, Zcash has been coming down along with the overall crypto market. Come down from $305 recent high. Currently sitting at a long-term level of support in that $80 to $90 range. You can see it bouncing off of it, here, and trying to make its way back up. And even back in here. You've got some long-term support on Zcash in this level here. So it can go lower. The lowest I believe it's been in the longest time is like $12 back in 2020. So you got to watch out for that. If the overall crypto market crashes, I do think it could crash, but I don't think Zcash is going anywhere, man, because Zcash has proven itself through bear markets, which I like that aspect. 1.2 million shares available to get borrowed at AMC at 7% interest. Get ready for $11 by end of week. Sam, I don't want 11, man. I want 21. Let's go. Yes, man. Zcash is a must-buy, guys. Zcash is a must-buy. Listen to Outdoor Smile. Sam, Clay likes Floga Dizabin and Elon. I do like that one, too. I can't say it, but I do like it. Don't steal Clay's dream life. Yeah, please don't steal my dream life. Juana, are you still listening? Please be listening right now. Remy, saw it Thursday. It was great. Best part was the football scene. Ooh, did they swap a volleyball scene for a football scene? I know what Danelle's thinking about. Where's my AMC videos? Did you fire yourself? Man, you was doing so good. You and B. Hayes was the only ones going strong daily. Dude, doesn't Short the VIX and Masked Investor go strong daily? Spider, listen. I could do more AMC. It's so hard to want to, like, I post so many videos a day, but dude, if you post a Luna video and it's getting 30,000 views, and you post a AMC video and it gets 1,000 views, it's like, well, these people are speaking, man. They don't want to watch that. What's your opinion on Shiba Inu? Is it a lost cause? I do not think so. I do not think so. I think that Shiba Inu has a lot of potential to go up. I don't think it's a lost cause. I think that the overall cryptocurrency market right now is not conducive to gains in any asset, especially a riskier one like Shiba Inu coin. So hopefully things turn around in the overall crypto market, and that turnaround, creates a turnaround in Shiba Inu coin, and we see things soaring across the board. 7-8 Mono, thoughts on BBIG? Yeah, dude, I do have a couple thoughts on BBIG. I don't like what their management is doing with delaying the distribution. I think that is like total utter nonsense. I don't like the fact that they are asking to dilute shareholders. I think that is total and utter nonsense. But I don't know as far as when the distribution date happens and things like that, if they're going to spike up in value. I know they have insiders with warrants at like the $8 range, so people are expecting it to go to $8 to $9. People are expecting Cryptide to be trading at ridiculously high numbers, like $20, $30 when it comes out and the distribution happens, and you're basically going to be doubling your money on that distribution. I find a lot of the speculation hard to believe, but I really don't like the way that management is handling things right now. Naked HD is back in the building. I felt naked without their spam. Oh, yeah, man. Naked HD. We're glad to have all the Naked HD chats in the building. Oh, what a name, bot. That's what I'm saying, Cassie. I don't even know where these people come up with this stuff. Oh, man. Naked Girl Link is spam. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Sam Demand, that is spam. That is not me. Hi, my friends from Fremont, California. What's going on? How are you doing today? Nice and early over there, 9:45 in the morning, 7 months in crypto. So wanna cause the bear market. I knew it. Wanna cause the bear market. 7 months in crypto, and she is to blame for the prices coming down. Dang it, Wanna, I knew it had to be your all way losing. I know. She caused the bear market, man. Wanna. Oh, man. Well, here's the good thing about that, Wanna, because nobody wants to just only ever lose getting in. And I know a lot of people have to be experiencing that right now. Even if you got in, March, April, any time last year, really, if you didn't take your profits, then it seems like it has been nothing but losses. And that is untrue. Right? We are facing a massive bear market right now, and things will change. And here's the difference. When you get in and you've got a nice 2-3 year bull run, if you were to get in at the end of 2020 and you rode it all the way up for a year and a half and you were sitting on 100x gains, and you think you're invincible. You think it's only ever going to go up, so you're never going to have a mentality like you could lose. Getting in during a bear market is brutal. You're going to have one of two things happen. You're going to be conditioned to think that you will never make money in investments and you will always lose money in investments, and therefore you're going to give up and never touch it again. You lose in that situation. If you make it through a bear market and you literally live through the worst of the worst of the worst, you will be so much better conditioned for everything that comes afterwards that it's going to make you an emotionless investor. And an emotionless investor is a dangerous investor because they can make gains. They're here for the long term. And I believe that's what a lot of us are being conditioned to do right now, is make it through these bear markets. Because I know there's a lot of new people, right, that are just starting to invest. So it's tough, man. It's tough, but I think we're being conditioned the right way. Does anyone have a digital land? So I do not. I actually do not own any digital land. Does anybody have any digital land, whether in Sandbox, whether in Decentraland, whether in the Shib the Metaverse, or other sides? If you got any other sides out there, nice, man. Strong Remy, daily cost average 2. Sweet. 303 million Shiba right now. Very nice, Remy. Hello, bro. Why Voyager still not posted Luna 2 and Luke unavailable? On my way. So I don't have a direct answer from them at the moment. And you know, my speculation is just as good as your speculation. But out of everything that they've posted on Twitter, I think it's kind of like nonsensical to, you know, say that they're looking out for their customers and they want to make sure that they get everything right, and they want to make sure that they do this airdrop correctly, and they want to make sure that they're working with the teams and all of that. I don't know why they haven't handled it yet, and basically all of these other centralized exchanges have handled it. I don't know the answer to it. I do want to reach out to them, whether on Twitter or email or something, and see if I can get an answer as to what they're doing there, but I don't know. They're blaming it on security and safety and all of that stuff. Thank you, bro. I needed to hear that. Joel, absolutely, man, absolutely. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, was driving, zoned back in at management, not doing a good job. Kind of reminds me how my whole life I've heard your generation doesn't know this or that by the generation that raised the generation they're complaining about. Chris, it's true, man. It's true. And I don't know why people gotta treat people that way. I do joke around sometimes, you know, messing with just people that are in their 20s or whatever, because I think it's fun. But you guys know that I'm messing around, right? Like, if I tell Devil's Advocate I'm surprised that he knows what a phone is, like a landline phone, or that he, you know, knows how to do this or that, it's clearly because I'm messing around. But I do think there are some people that, man, they just are, they're unsatisfiable. And that's a bad type of person to be in leadership, man. You're going to get so much more out of somebody by encouraging them and building them up and saying, hey, man, you know, you're doing good. I probably would have done it this way, but listen, as long as you get the job done, dude, you're in charge while you're out there. You know what I mean? Like, I need to hire somebody that's responsible, somebody that's respectful, somebody that I can trust to do what they need to get done. I don't care how you get it done. I don't care if you do it a way that I wouldn't do it. I don't care if you take longer than I would take to do it. I don't care if you this and that, man. Do it the way you want to do it, but you got to get it done. And if I can trust it, one day you'll be in the position, Chris. Let's just put it that way. One day you'll be in that position of, it is power, and you'll have a decision to make. And I know you'll make the right one, man. I know you'll make the right one. Yeah, man, my son sucks at work. Well, there you go, Outdoor Smile. He's just saying straight up, Mom, my son sucks at work. Outdoor Smile. How old's your son, man? Like 10? Danelle, can I visit? Please. I didn't see what it did. Oh, Remy, Apiga and I are going to buy an island and name it Crown Island. Oh my gosh, please let me visit. My goodness. Talk about some Ethereum future, I believe. Jameson, the best thing that I think Ethereum's going to have going on lately, and I did not read the article, I saw some headlines talking about the Ethereum merge and different dates that are being thrown out there right now. I think the Ethereum merge is going to be not necessarily a game changer, but I do think that the Ethereum merge can be an awesome catalyst for all Ethereum tokens and Ethereum itself. What's going to happen there is it's basically going to be going through the transition from proof of work meaning like my graphics cards right there can mine Ethereum to proof of stake. And I believe, somebody, if you know the exact number, correct me, but I believe it's like 36 Ethereum that you need. 36 or 32. I think it's somewhere in the 30s that you would need in order to stake to receive rewards. So when the merge happens, there's going to be proof of work and proof of stake going on until they transition over to proof of stake, sorry. So if somebody knows the exact number, let me know the exact number that you would need to earn rewards by staking your Ethereum there. But I think that that's going to make it a much bigger and, I guess, increase the transaction load on Ethereum and reduce gas fees and things like that. So I do think that that's going to be a positive for Ethereum and really help the value moving forward. This Luna Classic, it depegged from Terra USD. Is Terra USD dead? If Terra USD goes up, will Luna go up? Caesar! Good question, good question, good question, good question. I believe yes. Well, here's the thing. Let me put it this way. So is it depegged from UST? UST was pegged to the dollar. Luna wasn't necessarily pegged to UST. Luna was used to peg UST to a dollar. So what you had was UST being minted and burned and minted and burned and minted and burned in order to keep that UST at a dollar. So I let's put it this way. If they completely abandon the project and they're not going to be minting and burning any more Luna to worry about UST, then yes, it would no longer necessarily be associated with it. It's not something that is going to be used to manipulate the price of UST. So therefore, I would say yes to your first question. Is Terra UST dead? Treat Terra USD as a meme coin, okay? If nobody supports it, yes, it's dead. If it's got an audience, if it's got a community, no, it's not dead. It may be in the zombie stages, but it's not dead. And finally, if it goes up, so if it goes up, I think that it might be, just a catalyst by association and cause Terra USD or Terra Classic to go up as well. But I don't think that it has to. So if Terra USD goes up, or if UST, whatever the symbol was, goes up, I don't think that is a necessity for Luna Classic to go up as well. Might need an Exile Island too. No! Don't throw me on the Exile. Seriously, though, if something crazy happens, like Turkey buys the whole supply base, decides to compete with Dogecoin and buys Shib, or Queen is 111 chili burn per year, we should... At my house, dude. I don't know if I can host everybody at my house, but yes, let's do it, man. If we start burning hundreds of trillions of coins, then yeah, well, we can do something. And then if Bezos buys Shiba, yeah, let's go for it. Emma D, thank you for the... Oh, man. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you for the mustache. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you for the mustache. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you for the mustache. Emma D, thank you very much for the mustache super sticker. Really appreciate that, man. Oh, my gosh. How'd Naked get back in? Probably a different name, man. It's probably a different name. You got a toad absolutely 100 freaking boss card, but was probably one of the most realist ignorance is bliss examples I've come up with. Nice, man. Pegging hurts. Pegging does hurt sometimes. Yes, Remy, you might be right. Bro, Crown Island, good for us. If you join, you get dude, I want to join. I want to join Crown Island, man. Do you think Shiba will hit 1 cent? Dwayne. Here's my thoughts on Shiba hitting a cent. If we do not burn hundreds of trillions of tokens, no. Unless the overall crypto market skyrockets in value and goes to like 50, 60 trillion. Okay? Which it can do. I mean, we're still only 10 years in to crypto, right? And it's basically gone from a literal $0 valuation to $1.5 trillion valuation. So it can do it. It could easily do that, but not in the next year or so. I'm talking 10, 20 years down the road. And I don't necessarily want to be 53 years old and wait for the crypto market to go to $60 trillion valuation and Shiba to be sitting in a penny. But I can guarantee you, if I still have all of my Shiba or all of my crypto 20 years from now, and the crypto market's sitting on a $60 trillion valuation, and you get Shiba Inu coin sitting in a penny, I can guarantee you my 53-year-old self is going to be very pleased with the fact that I held on to it, and I was well off enough to invest in it and give it that possibility to go up. Nobody wants to wait that long, but sometimes good things come to those who wait. Yes, all subscribers will be invited, but it's sent to exile for bad behavior. Nice! It's like the ban button. Don't send me, please. Oh, I know what I wanted to ask you, Clay. Is it the same if the remaining SIB supply gets burnt compared to the remaining supply becoming bought, owned, and held? Remy, essentially, there's only one difference, okay? And the difference is if you burn it, if let's say the entire remaining supply was burnt, literally nobody can buy Shiba Inu coin at that point. Nobody. If one guy held it, like if I was the only guy with Shiba Inu coin and there was only one left, at that point, I've got a choice, man. This one coin may be worth $10 billion. But what can I do? Because it's a fungible token, at that point, I can sell 0.000000001 token for, $1,000 or whatever. So, I can still you can still trade. You would just be trading fractions of a fraction of a token. If there's literally every single token is sent to the burn wallet, Shiba Inu coin can no longer trade. So it's not going to go up in value. It would be worthless if every single coin was burnt. If every single coin is bought and held, if there's no intention to sell, then it's basically the same thing as being burnt, but people can still make offers, right? The price can still move in the sense that the coins can be traded. But yeah, it would be a very similar effect, especially if somebody bought it and they did not post it up for, liquidity purposes. They did not put it into liquidity pools. They were not holding it on exchanges that can be bought and sold and things like that. So there's a big difference. But, essentially, if there was no chance that holder is going to sell, it's the same thing as being burned. Click! Go to Dublin this weekend and watch the Memorial PGA tournament at Murfield Village Golf Club. It's beautiful. Outdoor smile. That does sound beautiful, man. Click got an uncle that was asking me about crypto. Told him I wasn't in any yet. What are some you guys talk about that I can tell him? Oh, Chris, man, clearly Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two biggest ones. Solana is another one that a lot of people are hyped up about. Obviously, Shiba Inu coin and stuff like that. I wouldn't tell your uncle about Luna, man, unless your uncle likes to buy lottery tickets and stuff. I wouldn't necessarily tell him to look into Luna. Cardano's a big one. Polygon's a big one. If you guys got any more that you want to throw out there, throw some more out there. But there are some big ones. I would start with Ethereum. Okay, honestly, Bitcoin and Ethereum would be two that he could look at, and those are the two main ones because all of these little tokens that are built are basically built on Ethereum. Exchange coins, like he can look at a Crypto.com coin, he can look at a Binance coin and things like that he would be buying directly from his exchange. So those are also things that he could look at. AMC price by June 15th. Squeeze setup like 2021, same time last year. Jordan, I don't know, man. I don't know. It was looking with the pre-market action today. It was actually looking very similar to this exact time frame last year, but then we got dumped at the open, trying to bounce back a little bit. But I don't know, man. If we close in the $17 range today or hit $17 after hours today, we could be setting up for a very similar response to what we had last year. See, Cladinho to Ohio. Enjoy your lunch. I'll watch the Jordan Belfort speech that I sent you. Maybe you could show it later. How is it 1 o'clock already? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Sam, continue to come to the chat, man. Get a blue name by being in here most often. See y'all have a great lunchtime. I cannot believe it's already 1 o'clock. If you don't squeeze by next month, I got them long-term gains. Boom! Chris, you'll have long-term gains on anything you held since then. All of your new shares, like if you bought a share last week, that's not going to be a long-term gain. But any of the, like the original shares that you would have bought, like it's a 1 year period from when you bought that original share. So if you bought a share last week, you got to wait till next year to have long-term capital gains on that. But if you bought a share last year, then yes, it's long-term capital gains. Let's see, guys. I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already. We're going to take a break for right now. We will be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Make sure to come back from then. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs, and then we'll be back a little bit later. Bradley, see you later. Alan Smith, Danelle, enjoy your afternoon. Emma D, DD214, Frodo, enjoy your afternoon. Pudgy, Cassie, Master Shiba, Sam Demand, Paul Wright, Danelle, Remy, I almost said Kemi, what is that? Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby dabbing on him as always. AMC Trap, if you're out there listening, man, shout out to you as well. DD214, Eternal King Toad, I like it. Emma D, see you later. Nufo, AMZ to Pluto, Nufu. Paul, see you later. Nicholas, Mr. Simon, Kyle, Sam the Man, see you later. Jonathan, Chris, 11 on Simon, Mariuns, see you later. Meta Pockets, Remy, Owana, adios, Owana. I was singing Owana this whole time. If I didn't see your name, I was still going to say bye to you, Owana. Thank you very much for the super chat, and thank you very much for hanging out with us. Bradley, Mr. Simon, Keith, Remy, Holding, see you later. Mr. Simon, Zachary with the Bro Diamond, Mr. Simon, Remy, later, Pika, if you're listening, Pika, yes. Remy, see you later. Cassie with the hearts, I like it. SD, if you're listening, see you later too. And you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.